Tell me about yourself.
Myself, Vaibhav Vaman Chakra. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science in Information Technology by Model College, affiliated by Mumbai University. The highest CGPA secured by me during completed semester is 9.2, and currently I am pursuing Cybersecurity certification through NetTech India.
Okay. What is communication?
Communication means sharing of information, data between two devices or within a network.
Okay. What is cybersecurity according to you?
Cybersecurity is referred as providing security to business organization regarding their data and files.
Tell me phases of hacking.
There are 5 phases of ethical hacking. There are information gathering or reconnaissance, and second is scanning. Third is exploiting. Next, fourth is post-exploiting, covering the logs.
Okay. What is cybersecurity according to you?
According to me, cybersecurity means securing IT systems, softwares, networks, etc.
And I'm from Mumbai. I completed my Bachelor's of Commerce from Mumbai University. I'm carrying 5 years of experience in accounting department, and now I wanted to switch to IT and cybersecurity. Now I would like to tell something about networking. So firstly, I would tell about what is network. Network is a group of interconnected nodes and communicating devices that exchanges data and resources to each other. And second is router. Router is an intelligent device, and it is a third layer of OSI module, which consists of two methods. First is modular router, and second is non-modular. That's it.
My name is Shreya Jadhav. I'm 18 years old. I completed my HSC from SK Somaiya College. I'm going to pursue a degree in BTech in AIDS. I currently enrolled a course of data science and data analysis in NetTech India. In data analysis, coming to Power BI. Power BI is a data visualization platform which helps to see insights of data through graphs, charts, and many more. Power BI helps to make the presentation easy and transform the data to visualization. Tools like Power BI Services, Power BI Desktop, and Power BI Mobiles are used. Thank you.
I'm Prajakta. I'm from Thane. I complete my BSc IT from Modern College of Commerce. Recently, I'm pursuing the data science and data analytics course. My family consists of 7 people, including me. In data analytics, I complete SQL, Advanced Excel, Tableau, and now I'm learning Power BI. Power BI is a tool which is created by Microsoft. In Power BI, we can present your data into the dashboards. In Power BI, we take the data and present into the graphs, charts, and the tables.
Professionally, I am a real estate consultant, sole seller in real estate industry from past 9 years. I have experience of more than 15 years in my own profession. I have done education in Masters in Business Management. Till now, I have learned in NetTech India in digital marketing that introduction to digital marketing, how it saves our time consuming, how we reach to the target audience. So our marketing cost gets reduced and our time to reach the customers and potential audience with effective cost, it is very beneficial to us. And second thing, we have learned about the market research, how we can research through Google, through Instagram, through YouTube, how we can do copywriting through similar kind of businesses and pages, and through their videos also we can do organic marketing. And we learn the 4 steps, that awareness, interest, and desires and actions, how we can reach to the customer.
So what is HTML?
HTML also, I'll start with the full form. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We use HTML to give our website a skeleton. So basically, the web page structure is created from HTML.
What is block element?
Okay, so block element. So the whatever elements that takes the full width of the web page is known as block element.